Jane's How To.
Hi guys, today we're making a banana muffin. We will need oil, baking soda, sugar, vanilla extra, salt, and a pan, and egg, and of course banana, and flour, and a bowl. Let's start it. So let's mash up the banana. We don't have to have like a lot banana. It's time to mash. Okay. Try making holes. First, we're gonna put all of the dried ingredients in the bowl. Now it's time for the wet ingredients. Mix. Put the wet ingredients in the dried ingredients. Carefully mix it. It looks good. You could add chocolate or nuts or nothing. I want to use nuts, so I'm doing walnuts. Time to put it in the oven. Super hot, so my mom's gonna help me. Wait for 20 minutes. It's time to eat the muffin, and my brother Jacob from the lemonade video, we're gonna eat together. Let's try it. And the banana. It's really good.